So I have done a few different reviews on Rakuten before, and they seem to be the most popular videos on my channel and the kind of videos that you guys want to watch. And if those are the videos you want to watch, those are the videos I will make for you. So today I want to share with you a couple of things that are really exciting. So the first thing is I am almost accepted into the Rakuten Influencer program, and this is going to be good for everybody, and this is why. Once I actually get accepted into this program, they're going to be giving me advanced notice of sales, in-person events, giveaway partnerships, and more sponsorship opportunities. And when I am able to receive those things from Rakuten, I can start sharing all of those benefits with you guys. So in order to make that happen, make sure if you like this video, make sure to sign up with Rakuten with my referral link that's down in the description, and you will get $10 right away in cash back, and it will also reward me as well. And let's get into it. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this right here. To date, I've made $325 in cash back with Rakuten, and as of right now, my next big fat check that's coming is $163.70. So I wanted to start this video off strong because this is a review for 2020, and this just goes to show you right here that my next big fat check, which is coming in February 15th, 2020, is going to be a pretty good one, and I expect it to be even higher than this when that day gets closer. So this is still a great way to shop online and make a bunch of extra money from things that you're already buying. So I can't stress that enough. This is really a great website. It's completely free for you to use. And if you combine this with the fact that you have a cashback credit card, you can really add up the extra cashback just for buying everyday items that you will normally be buying anyhow. So one thing I recommend that you do is that if you are going to be shopping online, I would always come to Rakuten first, and the reason why is because it can be very confusing to find the best deal on the internet nowadays. There's like millions of online stores, and everybody always seems to think that Amazon is the best deal, and it is not the best deal, and I will link a video to that right here of why it's not the best deal. So I always recommend you check Rakuten first before going to any other store, and you probably have your favorite set of stores that you like shopping at online, like maybe Walmart or Amazon or Macy's or whatever it ends up being. But this is why it's important to check here first, because you see they have really good deals on cash back. You know, Macy's is normally 3%, today is 6%. Walmart is up to 10%, even Amazon up to 8%. Now sometimes there are caveats to this, and it only applies to certain items that you might buy from that store, but you know, you can always find out just by clicking on the store. If I look at Amazon here, it gives you the whole breakdown to the left here of which items offer cash back. So you already know ahead of time, depending on what you're planning on buying, how much cash back you're going to receive. And to get any cash back at all from Amazon is great, because as you can see here, it was 0%. So really a lot of times it's 0%. And the only reason I mention Amazon is because people always go to Amazon and they just think right away it's the best deal, and it just isn't a lot of times. So come to Rakuten first and type in what you're looking for. I would say, you know, I'm looking for a vacuum, right? So type in vacuum, and this will give you all the stores that sell vacuums. You know, these are like particular vacuum stores like Dyson, iRobot, Bissell, etc. But also, if you know that you want to buy a vacuum from Macy's, of course, you can just go to the Macy's store and buy that vacuum and make sure you get your cash back. The other thing that I recommend that you do in 2020 is you're probably going to be taking some kind of vacation in 2020, and you can use Rakuten to benefit you in that department as well. They have a tab right here that's just for travel and vacations. Anything that you could possibly want to do on your vacation, they have here. You got hotels and rentals, you got cars, flights, and the whole package deals here. And of course, they break it down by all of the stores that offer cash back and by how much. And some of them are pretty significant, as you can see here. You know, you got one that's 15%, another one 15%. You know, look for these high cash back deals and shop around. You know, you might be surprised. You might be able to take a very nice, luxurious vacation and save quite a bit of money on that vacation if you would just come here first and check it out, instead of going straight to Priceline or Travelocity or wherever you normally buy your travel tickets. You know, you might be surprised how much money you can really save by just doing this one simple thing and coming to Rakuten first. Another thing I want to mention here is because it's going to be 2020 and we all like making money, make sure that once you've signed up with my link down below and you have an account, you come here and make sure you get your code to sign up any of your friends and family that you might have. You can send them your code by email, you can share it on Facebook, and you can share it on Twitter. You can also text the code to somebody and they can sign up like that. One thing I want to mention is if you want to put it on like your website or your YouTube channel like I'm doing, you do need to sign up for their influencer program to get any credit for that. So make sure you pay attention to that. And one of my viewers actually pointed that out to me, so thank you for doing that. I'll show the comment right down here so you can see that. So another cool thing that you can do to really start off your year strong is improve your education. And I found that actually Rakuten is a partner with Udemy. I don't know if you've ever heard of Udemy, but Udemy is an online course website where they teach you to do a bunch of different things, and it's very professional and you can really learn a lot from this website. And they are offering 16% cash back right now on a bunch of their courses, and that is a huge deal. I mean, you can literally get paid cash back to learn a skill or a trade that you've been wanting to learn and start off your year strong in 2020 by just really honing in your skills and creating that self-development to push you even further into this next year. And after all, up until now, a lot of my videos have really been about, self-improvement and your quality of life, and what better way to make your quality of life higher than improving your education and getting paid to do it. So make sure you check that out. One other quick thing I wanted to mention to you guys is be sure to always check out the Hot Deals tab, because you might find something here that you really weren't expecting to buy, but then you might see something like, oh, it'll spark your memory, like, yeah, I really need that t-shirt from Gap, or I really need to buy those shoes from Reebok, like it's showing here. Or you might find some deals that apply directly to you as well, like I was looking for an SSD recently. Best Buy has certain SSDs up to 35% off, and those are the kind of deals you want to be looking for on here, because you might be surprised at the type of deal you might find. Now be sure to put any questions you have about Rakuten down below in the comment section, and make sure you sign up with my link if you like this video, because that will really help this channel grow. And I look forward to answering any questions you have about Rakuten and making more videos about this awesome website, so that way you guys can learn everything there is to know about it and really save the most money while shopping online. Make sure you check out some more of my videos right over here, and I will see you guys in the next one.